Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a super cool tool that lets you create your very own AI influencer. Imagine a character you can use for your social media, YouTube channel or even commercials, but it's completely generated by AI. You can create a consistent look and feel for this character and then use APOP AI to generate tons of different images and even videos featuring them.
But before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Wondershare Virbo. Virbo is an easy to use tool that helps you create amazing AI powered videos without any hassle. Whether you are making videos for a presentation, social media, or even for different languages, Virbo has everything you need. It comes with a big collection of AI actors templates you can change. You can use Virbo on many devices like Windows, iOS, Android, or directly on a web browser. Virbo also has cool features like avatar video, talking photo, video translator, and URL to video. If you want to turn a web page into a video, Virbo has a special tool called URL to video. You just paste the link of the web page and Virbo will quickly turn it into a video. You can add voices, choose different avatars, change the script, and even add background music. You can also choose the language, video length, and style. Once your video is ready, you can download it directly from your account. And if you want to turn long videos into short, Wondershare AI Clip Generator helps you take big videos and turn them into short, shareable ones for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Just upload your video and Virbo's smart AI finds the best parts automatically. No hard work needed. It even adds cool captions that pop up on the screen, making your clips more fun to watch. You can change the size, edit the captions, and make your videos look awesome with easy tools. Virbo is perfect for turning things like podcast, lessons, or interviews into short, exciting clips. You don't need to be an expert. Just upload your video, let Virbo do the work, and share it online. So get ready to impress your friends or followers with professional looking clips in minutes. The link is available in the description below, so must check it out. Now let's move on to our video.
First head over to the APOP AI website, the link is available in the description below. You will need to create an account and log in. Once you are in, you will see the main interface. Click on Create Portrait Model to begin creating your AI influencer. At this stage, you can either upload an image as a model reference or generate an AI influencer from scratch. Let's try uploading an image first. Click the Upload Image button. You will get a guide on what a good image. Make sure your photo is high resolution with a clear background for the best results. Once uploaded, give your image a name and description if you like, and then click on Create your image model. If you prefer privacy, you can also choose to make your character either private or public. Now that we have uploaded our image, let's start by generating an image. First, choose a style. You can select from options like vintage, anime sketch, realistic or pixel. I will choose realistic. Now choose a location. Here we have different options like museum, private jet, cafe, church, airport and more. I will go with the cafe option. Next, pick the age of your character, young, middle or old. I will choose middle aged, then select the clothing style. We have options of casual, suit, tuxedo, hoodie or overcoat. I will pick overcoat for now. You can also choose the weather options, include sunny, rainy, night or sunset. Lastly, pick the aspect ratio and click generate. And it will create a stunning AI image based on your inputs. Once it's done, you can download the image or even upscale it to higher quality. Let's switch things up and generate more images with different clothing styles. I will select casual clothing this time and click generate again. Here are the results. I have generated some hoodie style photos and I have also generated photos with the suit. Each time it produces high quality images that you can use for various purposes. Now let's check out the complete set of images option. This allows you to generate a whole series of images based on a theme. For example, you can choose travel with options like London, Turkey or India. You can also select different styles like winter outlook, portfolio showcase, LinkedIn headshots, adventure and many more. Choose the one that you like and click on generate button. It will generate a complete set of images within this theme. You can download the entire set once it's ready. And if you want more control over the image generation process, use the expert option. Here you can enter a custom prompt to generate images based on your specific requirements. You can also add a negative prompt to exclude certain elements from the image. For example, if I don't want a busy background, I can specify that in the negative prompt. Click generate and it will produce images tailored to your instructions. One of the coolest features is image face swap. To use this feature, upload any image you want to swap faces with your AI model. Once uploaded, click generate. In a few moments, this tool will swap the face with the AI generated model's face. You can download the swapped image and use it however you like. Another powerful feature is image to video. To get started, upload your own photo or choose an image from the library. I will choose this image from the library and APOP AI will convert it into a video. In just a few seconds, the video is generated and you can download it for use in your projects. Next up is the video face swap feature. Upload a video where you want to swap the face and you can also trim the video length if needed. And choose the ultra option for the best quality. Then click generate. It will swap the faces in the video and you can download the finished product. Now let's check out the talking avatar feature. You can turn any photo into a talking avatar by uploading an audio file or generating one using the tool. First upload a photo, then write a script for your avatar or use APOP AI script generator. You can choose the voice, select the gender, age and accent. You can even listen to samples before selecting the voice.
I have never been hurt by... Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
Once you are satisfied, click generate. Your talking avatar will be ready in just a few moments. You can download the audio and use it for presentations, social media or YouTube.
Are you ready to discover how to make money online? In just 30 seconds, let's dive in. First, consider freelance work.
Finally, let's explore the AI influencer generator feature. To create a unique AI influencer, start by selecting the gender, the age and the country. You can customize other options like hairstyle, face shape and skin color. Click generate and it will create a AI influencer model. You can use this model as a reference to generate more images and videos. This is perfect for creating content for platforms like Instagram, YouTube or TikTok. And that's how you create an AI influencer and generate stunning images and videos using APOP AI. Whether you are using it to create characters, swap faces or build talking avatars, this tool offers endless possibilities for content creators. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. The link of APOP AI is in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.